Have you ever wondered why it's best to repair the roof when the sun is shining? This metaphorical phrase carries a profound message about the importance of preparedness and seizing the moment. Our story begins with a humble ant and a musical cricket. The ant, a diligent creature, spends the warm summer months toiling away, gathering food for the winter. In contrast, the cricket, known for its melodious chirping, spends its days basking in the sun, singing and enjoying the bounty of the summer. As the seasons change, the cricket finds itself in a dire situation. Winter has arrived and it has no food. It turns to the ant pleading for help. But the ant, having spent its summer preparing for this moment, has just enough to fend for itself. The cricket's lack of foresight and preparation led to its unfortunate circumstance. This tale of the ant and the cricket is an excellent illustration of the principle. The time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. The sunny days represent times of plenty, an ideal time for preparation and foresight. The cricket, absorbed in the present, failed to prepare for the winter, resulting in its hardship. On the other hand, the ant, understanding the cyclical nature of life, used the time of plenty to prepare for the lean period. It's a valuable lesson on preparedness and the importance of using favorable conditions to prepare for potential difficulties. Now let's extend this principle beyond the insect world and into our lives. Consider a student studying for an exam. The sunny days are the days leading up to the exam, while winter is the exam day itself. If the student spends these sunny days preparing, studying, and understanding the material, they will be well equipped to face the exam. However, if they squander this time, like the cricket, they will find themselves ill-prepared when the exam arrives. The same applies to financial planning, health maintenance, and countless other aspects of life. When times are good, it's wise to prepare for potential hardships that may come. In conclusion, the time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining is a powerful adage that reminds us of the importance of preparedness and foresight. The tale of the ant and the cricket serves as a poignant example of this principle, showing the benefits of using periods of plenty to prepare for future challenges. Remember, just as the ant used the summer to prepare for winter, we should use our sunny days to prepare for any storms that might come our way. Because once the storm hits, it's too late to start fixing the roof. So seize the moment, prepare while the sun is shining brightly, and when the winter of life comes, you'll be ready, just like the diligent ant.